Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So this video is very important for many Samsung users, actually not just Samsung users, many Android phones, because Google just rolled out a very important update for S23 FE and many other Samsung phones and many other Android phones as well. So in this video, I will tell you what's new in this update and why this update is very important. So without further delay, let's get started. Alright, to check this update, we have to go to phone settings and scroll down until you see an option called, this is on Samsung. Okay, in Samsung, just go to settings and tap on security and privacy, tap on it, and you will see this kind of screen. Now after that, just tap on updates over here. Then here you will see a two option called security update and Google Play system update. You have to tap on Google Play system update. So as you can see, there is a 79 MB update and it says latest security update from Google, update now to keep phones safe and improve device stability. So obviously it will improve your device stability and it will protect your device from virus, malware, etc. So here it's nothing written about the changelog, but I think Google has made some changes, not big but small changes Google has made in this update. So I will give you the article link of this Google official article about this updates. You can read it. Okay, I will give you on the description. Okay, Google has added some like Wi-Fi sync and also like premium game trial, etc. So they are nothing big, but yeah, there is it. But you still want to check like what's new in this update. I will give the article link in the description. Okay, now let me click on download and install. Let me download the update. It's obviously 79 MB. It might be different in your phone. Might be you might have a 60 MB update and you might have a 80 MB update. It depends like device to device. Okay, so I have S23 FE, so my update size is around 79 MB. Alright, the update is done. Now let me restart my phone. Let me click on restart. Alright guys, updating is done and phone has been restarted. Now let me go to settings. Yes, you can see the Google Play system update is now March 2026. So if your device haven't received the update yet, don't worry. You might receive today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow. And guys, if you think should you install this new update, obviously guys, you should install this update. It's from Google directly. So the Android OS is by Google, so obviously Google roll out this update for reason. Okay, this update might fix some issues which is in your device and also add some security in your device, so it's harder to for the hackers to add malware on your device. All right guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, just comment below. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye, take care.